Hi, my name is Dr. Noreen Kahn Mayberry. I'm better known as the Tox Doc. I'm a professional toxicologist and medical scientist. I study the chemicals that are in our environment, specifically in our air, and how they cause adverse health effects. Your air quality indoors can be 5 times more polluted than what you're breathing outdoors. We've got a really large segment of the population that suffers from seasonal allergies. We already know that there are increased levels or concentrations of pollen in the air. Well, it also adheres to our clothes, and we walk back into our homes and we bring that pollen right into our house. How deeply a particle will travel and settle along the respiratory tract depends on its size, shape, and composition. Larger particles can cause allergy-like responses, such as sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, nasal inflammation, and the development of asthma. And then thinking about our newer homes, they're built to be tighter, and we contribute a lot of pollutants in our air because we have chemicals that are off-gassing, which is basically the evaporation of chemicals into your indoor airspace. From the sealants that are used to install our cabinets, our flooring, our furniture, particles in the smaller size range, which include volatile organic chemicals, can lead to genetic and cellular damage, lung disease, and potentially even cancer and heart disease. These contaminants are most likely to lead to permanent lung damage, decreased breathing capacity, and the development of cancer. The most dangerous airborne chemical is formaldehyde. The World Health Organization has classified formaldehyde as a carcinogen. Continuous low-level exposures to formaldehyde primarily affects the brain system, cardiovascular system, and major detoxification organs, the liver and kidneys. The Rowenta Intense Pure Air is the first air purifier to remove not only formaldehyde from the air, but up to 99.97% of other airborne indoor contaminants. The Rowenta Intense Pure Air features a science-based nano-capture filter, which captures and destroys formaldehyde. So everyone is exposed to some level of formaldehyde on a daily basis. But if I know I'm removing formaldehyde, I know that I'm doing the best thing that I can, not only for my personal health, but for the health of my family.